What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary Beatrice. Thank you for clicking today's video. For today's video, we are going to be moving. We are starting our very moving process, and today is day one, meaning we're going to tackle one of the biggest things that I have in our current place right now, which is my closet. So I have this section of my closet, I have this fourth section, and it's insane. I genuinely feel like I have some stuff that I haven't worn even for years, so this is gonna be very interesting, and it's gonna feel so nice to just kind of like get rid of everything. I'm gonna be separating everything in like 3 piles, so I'm gonna have one that I'm gonna potentially sell one donation, and just one getting rid of, like literally something that I haven't worn in like years or whatever. I'm just gonna chuck it away. Let's go and get this all sorted out. All right, so this pile is going to be the ones that I'm going to be taking. I also do have 2 more like luggages over there. Everything is just a mess, but this is the luggage that I'm going to be focused on bringing to our new place. Donation. And honestly, I'm just going to put all of my throwaway clothes right here. But yeah, first thing first, we're gonna start with my winter stuff, which is like my sweatpants and everything. This is all my sweatpants and everything. Oh god. My #1 rule into this is that if I haven't worn it in like months, I'm just gonna donate it. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Not even mine. I'm pretty sure this is my dad's. Sorry dad if I have your sweatpants. 1 section done, 3 more to go. I'm not gonna lie with you guys, I'm like trying not to get overwhelmed with my clothes, but I'm just like, wow, like I really need to get rid of all these clothes because too much. There's just too much. I can't. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. One at a time. Let's tackle all my sleepwear right now, which is these. All of my sleepwear. Let's go. Ooh. Okay. So, oh honey, literally, I'm sorry, but like my best pajamas are the ones that's like has holes in them. Guilty. I don't know, they're just so comfy. Like, I don't know if I can get rid of them, but I need to get rid of them. I really need to get rid of them. Getting rid of this one just because it has holes now. I love this pajama. I literally remember going from no activewear gym stuff to like, because of like all the PR packages and all that. This one I'm gonna donate her. Bye girl, bye. This one is okay. This one, I literally wore this. Oh my god, gross. There's a lot of things you won't find in a girl's closet, okay? Like a lot of things. Looking good so far, y'all. We're halfway there, yeah. I like to think we're halfway there. This is pretty much done. These are just kind of like my jewelries and all that, underwear, and all things cleared. This is my dirty laundry. I can actually put you guys on the project. This is a lot. Oh my god. I have to like get rid of them, and I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. Yeah. Okay, let's keep going, because girl. Oh my god, look, it's like empty. Wait, what the fuck is that? Oh god. It's my change. Lol. I'm just gonna put it right here. Anyways, I'm all done, you guys. I just did that. My closet is done. Don't mind that. That's my dirty clothes, but okay, that was nice. I literally, that bag is halfway just my clothes. It's literally just like my clothes. Don't even look at this. It's like quite embarrassing, but I'm just gonna put my hand there. It's just a bunch of garbage. I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. The moving vlogs is gonna keep going on. This is just part one of everything. This is just my closet, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to comment what are your like moving tips. Like if there's any tips that you guys can help your girl out, let me know. Once again, you guys, I post every Sunday morning, and yeah, we shall see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.